Hundreds of healthcare workers walked off the job today at Children's Hospital Oakland and UCSF clinics in the East Bay. Now, if the workers are on the picket lines, what happens to the patients? Here's NBC's Velena Jones.
Healthcare workers walked off the job and onto the picket line. The National Union of Healthcare Workers, 1,300 members, are accusing UCSF of dismantling their union, cutting pay, and forcing them into a union they don't want to join.
If UCSF gets away with this, I will lose about personally $12,000 per year of my take-home pay. And I already see how families in our community have to wait months for their medical necessary therapy.
The strike comes as UCSF prepares to transition Children's Hospital employees to UCSF employees. The health system argues current wait times are the result of a fragmented system. Felicia Hashimoto, an occupational therapist, worries the impending changes will make it harder to retain staff.
People are being forced into early retirement because they're going to lose all of their years of service.
Workers argue the plan will also change the culture and accessibility for East Bay patients, ultimately impacting patient care.
They are shifting families over to Mission Bay. That's a terrible obstacle and imposition for a lot of our families. And they are understaffing the hospital.
UCSF is planning a $1.6 billion project for Children's Hospital. Leaders of the health system argue this is the time to change unions, with contracts already expiring with two groups and the third ending in August. In a statement, they note take-home pay may change because currently many employees pay nothing toward their health insurance or retirement, adding the changes will give more valuable long-term benefits. But union leadership disagrees. The strike has triggered the temporary closure of clinics in Walnut Creek, San Ramon, and Brentwood. UCSF says it's working to limit service disruption by switching some appointments to telehealth and rescheduling elective appointments. Healthcare workers could be on the picket lines for days or even weeks with this open-ended strike. They have a court date scheduled for the 26th, which they hope will force UCSF to go into arbitration. In Oakland, Velena Jones, NBC Bay Area News.